DIY Auto Repair. All right, guys, and we are back. And you guessed it, we're going to be taking a look at some more Harbor Freight savings. Hopefully, you guys are liking these videos. I hope you're not getting tired of just seeing Harbor Freight. We might try to expand this tool thing to maybe Home Depot or to Amazon, or maybe I can just pick out some items from those other places to do sales videos on. But as of right now, we're just doing Harbor Freight. They pretty much are universal. They have basically all kinds of stuff. They're super cheap, and they're pretty much everywhere. And it's just kind of easier with the way they put out their sales to do videos on. So anyway, guys, if you guys would like to see videos on Home Depot sales or whatever, go ahead and put it in the comment section below, and we could definitely do some Home Depot sales. I know that they have a lot of good quality tools, and we might just do it anyway. But anyway, guys, let's stop rambling on and let's get into this. And you see it right here, guys. Memorial Day 4-day sale. Starting Friday, May 26th through Monday, May 29th. So we're a little behind, but you guys still have Saturday, Sunday, and Monday to use your 25% off and pick up some items at Harbor Freight. So let's go ahead and get into this. So it's a 4-day sale. I believe if you were Inside Track Club member, you got an one early day access, which was Thursday, May 25th. So without further ado, guys, we're going to go ahead and jump into this. So I think this is what's going to be the main thing here is this Memorial Day 25% off any single item in store and online. 4 days only. Friday, May 26th through Monday, May 29th. I think this is what everybody's going to be wanting. This is the big thing right here. We'll go through the rest of it. But as you can see here, there's not much more. So let's read this. So limit 1 coupon per customer per day. Valid in-store and online. Coupon must be presented at time of sale. Save 25% on any single item purchased. Coupon cannot be used with any of the following: Inside Track Club membership, extended service plans, open box items, gift cards, prior purchases, Atlas, Bauer, Central Machinery, Cover Pro, Hercules, Predator, compressors, generators, power stations, jacks, miter saws, safes, storage cabinets, carts, chests, or welders. Coupon cannot be combined with other discounts or promotion. Offer valid on in-stock items only. Other restrictions may apply. Valid 5/26 through 5/29. So you do have some restrictions on that, guys. Make sure you guys read the coupon and know before you try to go in and purchase something, because then you're going to be super disappointed. Trust me, that's happened to me a couple times. I don't really read the fine print, and then I get to the register and realize that my coupon is not valid. So sometimes these are great, sometimes these are bad because you have a lot of restrictions. That's why it's really nice to every once in a while that they do give out the no exclusion coupon, because then you can have free reign of the store and purchase whatever you like. So anyway, guys, that's the big thing right there. That I might be utilizing that coupon this weekend. I've done a lot of purchases here in this past month at Harbor Freight, so I don't know who else is in that same boat. Who else has spent too much money at Harbor Freight this month? If that's you guys, put it in the comment section below, or even just tap that like button. If you guys spent too much money this past month at Harbor Freight, well, with all these sales, hit that like button, guys. I want to see how many of you guys have spent too much money, just like myself, at Harbor Freight this month. So anyway, guys, we're going to move on. So here's the super coupon for the single bank roller cabinet. On sale for $319.99, was originally $349.99. You get all 6 colors. I have the U.S. General service cart, and it is fantastic. And I'm assuming this is just as great. It's U.S. General. It's a Series 2. Not a bad deal, guys. The U.S. General storage cabinets are great. Highly recommend them. We have a 21-gallon, 170 psi oil-free vertical air compressor on sale for $249.99. Original price is $299.99. Here's another great buy, a Daytona 3-ton low-profile Super Duty floor jack with rapid pump. On sale for $259.99. Original price is $289.99. These guys, you guys hear me talking about it all the time. Great jacks. Love these jacks. I have 2 of them. I own 2 of them, and they're just phenomenal. They're great. Highly recommend the Daytona jacks, as well as the jack stands. 1,000-pound capacity swing away trailer jack, $29.99. Original price is $34.99. Central Machinery 31-inch PVC folding sawhorse, 350-pound capacity, $9.99 on sale. Original price is $10.99. We have a Bauer 7.5 amp 6-inch long throw random orbit DA polisher, $74.99 on sale. Original price is $99.99. We have a Bauer metal cutoff wheels, a 10-pack, on sale for $6.99. Original price is $9.99. I just picked these up. This is actually a better deal than what I picked them up for. I think I got them for like $8. They're not the best, obviously. You get a 10-pack for $6, but I've used one time to cut off a bolt, and it lasted that one round, and then I had to throw it away and put on a new one. But not bad for simple metal cutoff wheels. Not bad. We have a 2,000 watt super quiet inverter generator with CO secure technology. On sale for $549.99. Original price is $619.99. Here we have a Pittsburgh Pro click type torque wrench, on sale for $11.99. Original price is $18.99. Lifetime warranty. These guys are pretty not bad. They're not bad torque wrenches. You get what you pay for. $11.99 is a fantastic deal. I would definitely suggest for that price to pick it up, especially if you just need a simple, inexpensive torque wrench. This would be great. Definitely try not to pay the full price for it. Pay the $11.99. The issue that I had with these, I bought them and I used them here and there, and then immediately after I just went to a better quality torque wrench. But they worked fine, but I noticed here on the collar where you select your setting, when you grab the handle to actually torque down the fastener, it becomes loose. It doesn't matter how tight you tighten. It doesn't matter how tight you tighten this here. This manages to slip off. So it will move up or down a setting. So maybe it was just a bad torque wrench I had, or maybe that was just I was doing something wrong. Maybe it was user error, but I highly doubt it. Other than that flaw or that bad experience I had, they're pretty great torque wrenches for the price. So if you're just getting into the field, or if you're just a home enthusiast, a DIYer, and you just need something to get you close to the torque, definitely recommend these, especially for the $11.99. I would definitely stay away from the $19.99 because these things, well, they used to go on sale quite a bit. I haven't really. This is actually the first. Well, maybe I just haven't been paying attention, but I haven't really seen these on sale lately. But again, maybe I just haven't been paying attention. But anyway, guys, definitely, I definitely recommend the Daytona jacks. I believe they're still having a coupon, a sale for the spring into summer savings. I believe they have a cheaper Daytona jack. I just did some videos on those, so you guys could check those out. You're like, yeah, you just did a video and you can't remember? Yeah. Got a lot of stuff going on, guys. So, but anyway, these are great jacks. If you're not looking to spend this much, they have the 3-ton low-profile jacks that I believe are like $130. Anyway, guys, so yeah, 25% off Memorial Day weekend. 4 days only, Friday, May 26th through Monday, May 29th. If you were Inside Track Club member, you got early access on Thursday. And so there you go, guys. If you guys end up picking anything up this weekend, put a comment in the comment section below. Let me know what you guys got. We may or may not be taking advantage of this 25% off coupon. This is really the only thing that interests me at the moment. There's a few hand tools that I might use this 25% off coupon on. Not really looking for anything. Not really looking for any big items. This is better for bigger items, especially the no exclusion coupons. I know I've been seeing a lot of people using that on the tool chest, tool carts, and it makes more sense because you get a bigger chunk of money off rather than buying a $20 or $30 hand tool with 25% off. But to each their own. Anyway, guys, that's pretty much it for our Memorial Day sale. So anyway, guys, I hope you liked this video. If you guys did, please hit that like button. If you guys would like to be notified when I put out another video, make sure to ring that bell notification. Please subscribe to my channel for more informational videos and DIY projects. And as always, guys, until next time, have a good one.